Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today's video is on how to make powdered sugar. It's super easy to make, and it's nice that you can make it anytime you want to without having to go to the store. The best thing to use is a powerful blender, but you can use whatever you have, like a food processor, coffee grinder, or nut grinder. It may just take more time to get the final result if you use something else. All you need is 2 ingredients: sugar and cornstarch. You put 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into a blender. Turn it on and let it go for about a minute. Check it and see if it's done and scrape down the sides. Turn it on for another minute and check it again. Mine took 2 minutes, but it depends on the kind of machine you are using as to how much time it will take. It's hard to tell here which one is the store-bought powdered sugar and which one is a homemade one. I tried this with the food processor as well. You can see here that the sugar is still a little gritty, so I had to turn it on again until I got it to the right consistency. That is all there is to it. It is fast, easy, and the best thing is that you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.